We have a one-piece leather gardening glove. Absolutely beautiful. And this brand is all about bringing quality gear for outdoors, for gardening, farming. $28.98 is your price. And it has this beautiful goat leather on the palms for grip and lasting durability. This is going to be your garden flower. Monarch, look at those beautiful butterflies. And then up here is your forest green, so your bold, non-printed side. All right, so I want to bring in Jeremy Glum. He is our brand ambassador, and I'm so thrilled to have you with us this evening, Jeremy. I don't think we've ever had the chance to work together.
Hi, Melissa. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you.
Good to meet you. I'm glad to be on.
Well, I'm so happy because I'm new to gardening, PS. And so when I saw these, I was like, they actually make really nice, like pretty gardening gloves. I didn't know.
Yeah, and the best part I love so much is the Reprieve fabric that we use. It's made out of recycled plastic bottles. That's the top fabric that we get the print on. Very breathable. You get into some garden gloves and they're just like super stretchy. You use them, for 10, 15 minutes and your hands get all sweaty. So these have a real nice breathability to them. Super soft too. That's like one of my favorite parts about these gloves in particular. And when you're working with tools all day long and you're digging and you're going through everything with your tools, you love a good grip on your tools. And if you can see the pad on the top of these gloves, it makes it so comfortable and nice and soft there. And it makes it, you can work all day and not even worry about it. I love the durability too of the leather. This goat skin leather is super durable, but the best, nicest part is it's really soft. So when you get some gloves that are super stiff and it's just uncomfortable. And so you get in these and it's super, super soft. We have a double leather patch right here in between the thumb and the index finger where you get a lot of wear and tear on it. And I just, the comfortability of even in between the fingers, we have this nice elastic that it makes it so you got good stretch, yet breathable, and, very, very comfortable.
Jeremy, I'm sorry to interrupt you. I just have a question for you because these come in different sizes, and I just want to make sure our friends at home know how to pick their sizes because it runs small, medium, large, and extra large. Can you walk us through that?
Yeah, absolutely. So I tend to like my gloves a little tighter, and I tend to tell people, if your size, if you're usually a medium, but you just don't know, you're a little in between, I usually go for a size below because they do have really good stretch. I wear a size large, have super thick fingers, but I love the large, fits me great. And we do have the small, medium, large, XL, basically covers everything. Just try and figure out, and we have a nice size chart that is pretty clear, and you just got to do some measuring and then you'll be able to pick your size.
And when you're caring for these, right, you don't want to machine wash these. You just use a damp cloth to remove the stains.
Absolutely, because we don't want to put leather in the washing machine. That's a big no-no. So yeah, we like to just do a hand wash, let them dry. It's a polyester, so they'll dry really quick in the sun, and you'll be good to go.
And then you have, I love that you have the touchscreen friendly fingertips because then you can still use your cell phone.
Absolutely, and they actually work so good. I've used them plenty of times, and it's super convenient because the last thing you want to do is take your gloves on and off while you're in the garden. It's easy, and so, they work great for, any part of the day.
I want to just run through options if you don't mind, Jeremy, one moment, because These are really pretty. I love this. This is your garden flower. What a really nice option. Then you have the monarch, so for all the butterfly lovers out there. And then you have the forest green. So that's the only one that doesn't have any kind of print or design. A 692217. So we only have about 20 seconds left, Jeremy. Anything else you want to tell our friends at home?
You know, just give them a shot. You're going to love these gloves. They work wonderful and they last. You're going to have these things for a couple seasons and not even worry about it.
That's great. So durable gloves for $28.98. That's a steal. And they look good. That's also important, but they're durable. They look good and they're really comfortable too. Like I have my rings on and they're still nice and roomy. So,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Well done.
Right on. Thank you so much for having me.
Of course. I'm sorry about the Skype delay. Sometimes it's really difficult, but it's such a pleasure to work with you. It was a lot of fun. And I'm always learning new things about gardening, and now I'm learning about these fabulous gloves. So get them home for $9.66 on Easy Pay, a 692217. 3 great options, and that size chart lives on QVC.com, 800-500-7590. Bye, Jeremy.